This is Mary from Baltic Essentials. I want to introduce you to our new anklets. These are all made from Baltic amber with a silver clasp. They're lobster clasp style. So they come already clasped. So if your ankle fits well with the 11-inch, you'll just connect them together. If you need it to be a little tighter, you can connect it in various places so that you can make it as small as you need. You just simply take the lobster clasp and put it anywhere on the anklet around the threading. And then you just take the other clasp and seal it off. And there you can use it as a bracelet or any size anklet that you like. These will be available on our store. Just search for anklet. www.balticessentials.com